Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2024. Ayan, napakabilis February na. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, so let's see Virgo, what's up with you ngayong February 2024. So this is your overall energy, the world. Wow. So this is about culmination, ending a cycle. So maaring yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong natapos na contract, natapos na project, at this is successful, no? It's about finishing something, no? Pagtatapos ng isang bagay, pagkukumpleto ng isang bagay na matagumpay. Ayan. And some of you, opportunities sa ibang bansa, maaring kayo ay magpaplano mag-abroad or pwedeng meron ng mga updates, no, sa work ninyo abroad. And some of you are also magi-involve sa international affairs, no? Pwedeng meron kayong online shop or online business na you are also connecting with others sa ibang bansa. May nag-ship kayo international, 'di ba? So, let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Virgo? Oh, the Three of Swords. Okay. So, as a challenge, maaring magka-experience kayo ng painful experience with someone, no? Maka-experience ng painful experience. Yeah, pwedeng separation, disappointment. Oo, talagang some of you betrayal tong nakikita ko, no? Oo. Kaya siguro, maaring yung iba, you want to close that chapter in your life because of the pain that you have experienced with this person or sa isang situation. Okay? So, ang challenge sa'yo is kung paano ka mag-move on, mag-move forward, and also paano ka mag-heal, no? Paano mag-hilom yung pain na yan. So, let's see your opportunity. What is the opportunity ng mga Virgo? You have the King of Swords. So, pagdating sa practicality, logic, no? You have a lot of opportunities coming in. Maaring marami kang mga pinaplano sa ngayon na isa-isa mo nang sinasakatuparan, no? At ano siya unti-unti, pero umuusad, alam mo yon. So, you are going to experience more clarity sa situation mo, kung ikaw ay medyo naguguluhan, kung nasa tamang landas ka ba, kung yung naging decision mo ba ay tama. You will gain a lot of insights sa situation mo. I also see na there are some people na nagbibigay rin sa'yo ng advice or nagsishare rin ng experiences sa'yo na, may mga times talaga na you will get hurt, you will experience painful things sa relationship or sa mga pinupurso mo sa buhay, but hindi yun yung katapusan, 'di ba? It's just that na meron kang kailangang i-close na chapter sa life mo para may mag-open na bago. At ngayon, mas maingat ka na sa mga magiging actions mo, sa mga decisions mo, para maproteksyonan mo yung sarili mo. Tinan natin yung iyong blessing. Ano yung blessing ng mga Virgo? You have the Fool. O, ayun na nga, ang new experience. The Fool is about starting a new chapter in your life na yung iba wala pa kayong idea kung saan kayo papunta, but basta you are open for the adventure So pwedeng you are going on an adventure na literal na yung iba magta-travel para makatulong rin sa pag-heal nila, yung mga therapies, ganyan. Some of you are going to take a risk. Oo, may risk involved dito. Pwedeng susubukan ka talaga na parang you are aalis ka sa iyong comfort zone. Oo, to explore new opportunities. Parang itong painful situation mo, yan yung magbibigay sa iyo ng opportunity na maka-experience ng bago. Something new, something exciting. Okay? So, let's see moon message sa inyo. Virgo. Moon message for Virgo ngayong February. Believe in your good luck. First quarter moon in Sagittarius. Yes, may swerte na parating ngayong February. I think inaalis lang sa inyo yung mga bagay na hindi na sa inyo makakabuti, no? Kaya minsan, nasasaktan tayo kasi nagkakaroon tayo ng attachment sa isang bagay, sa isang sitwasyon, na nagiging komportable na tayo. Kaya lang, hindi tayo nag-grow. So, syempre, pag masyado na tayong attached doon, walang growth, the universe will ask us to, spread our wings and fly, try new things. And, idinidetach tayo doon. So, detachment is painful. Okay? So, we also have reflect on your priorities. Ayan. So, ngayong February, mas magiging malinaw sa'yo yung mga gusto mo, no? Yung mga gusto mo ma-achieve, yung mga importante sa buhay mo. Yung mga unnecessary, isa-set aside mo muna yan. Magpo-focus ka sa priorities mo. Know you are loved. Yes, Virgo, know you are loved. Naka-experience ka man ng betrayal, pain, na feeling mo mag-isa ka lang, lagi mong tatandaan na may nagmamahal sa'yo. Okay? You are loved. And of course, unang-una dapat nagmamahal sa'yo, sarili mo. Na, ikaw yung number one cheerleader of your own career, of your own life. Ano man yung pinupurso mo sa buhay. So, money, career, finances, you are divinely guided. See? You are being loved. And I think itong divine guidance na binibigay sa'yo is involved din dyan yung mga ancestors mo, yung mga mahal mo sa buhay na namayapa na, no? They are guiding you through. Wow, transformation, Virgo, sa inyong career. So, yung iba may pagbabago, no? Mas magiging maunlad. Ayan. Change is coming for a brand new you. So, you are reinventing yourself. Transformation, i-embrace nyo daw yan. Sometimes change is uncomfortable, but it's worth it. Yes, worth it yung pagbabago na yan. Speaking of therapy, ayan, speaking of therapy, you are healing from your past mistakes. So, I think itong Three of Swords energy na to, na challenge sa'yo is yung mga wrong decisions, bad decisions mo, na nare-realize mo na okay, bad yung decision ko na yan sa trabaho, sa business, sa career, pwedeng merong nang betray sa'yo in terms of money, pero unti-unti makakabangon ka, no? There are people who are also helping you na ma-realize na, ang pera na kinikita pa ulit yan diba? So, kailangan mo na lang na mag-focus muna ulit dun sa mga goals mo para, hindi ka madidistract. Sa relationship, yung iba naman may ex. Nako, may deception from the ex. Yung iba niloko ng kanilang romantic person, romantic partner. Yung iba naman, pwedeng hindi rin to karelasyon, no? Pwedeng someone who is very close to you, na feeling mo, mapagkakatiwalaan mo siya, pero hindi pala. Finail ka niya, or may deception. Ayan, someone is not being true in the relationship. So, ngayon, magpo-focus ka sa iyong sarili. You're going to take care of yourself. And, important that you are independent. So, mas magiging, parang alam mo na, yung you will not rely on someone, hindi ka aasa sa isang tao, hindi mo iaasa yung happiness mo, yung contentment mo sa isang tao. Kasi alam mo na kaya mong ibigay yun sa sarili mo. The collective field is impacting you, unseen forces in action. So, how can you relinquish control of the situation that feels blocked? O, ayan. So, ikaw raw ang dapat in control of your situation. But of course, may mga bagay na hindi tayo kontrolado. And yun yung mga bagay na kailangan na lang nating isurrender. But anything that is within our control, it is our responsibility. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.